Okay, this is our last assignment for capitals, okay? So a capital is a sentence. Sentences begin with capital letters. So the seed is happy, excuse me. That capital T is right at the beginning. All right, so it says, today you will fix the sentences. Remember, capital letters go at the beginning or start of every sentence. Drag the up arrow under the letter that needs a capital letter, okay? So you're going to drag this arrow and move it wherever you think there should be a capital letter. And remember we said that capital letters go at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, so you need to move that arrow wherever there needs to be a capital letter. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to move this arrow right here wherever there should be a capital letter. Then the last one you do today, move the arrow wherever there needs to be a capital letter, because capitals go at the beginning and periods are at the end.